But when I've got to solve this equation, and I'm hoping it's going to factorise, because I don't like 9. If I divide by 9, but I'm going to get a horrible fraction here. So I was hoping it's going to factorise. If it doesn't, we can always go back and use the formula or complete the square. It's got to get 7, so the numbers have got to be 1 and 7. And one's going to be plus, and one's going to be minus, because it's minus there. And I've got to get 9x, so I could get, it's either going to be 9x and 1x, but 9, if it's 9x there, 9 times 1, 9, that's not going to give me 18. So I think it's going to be 3x. So I'm going to write down 3x and 3x. Oh, this is looking good. It's got to have minus 7, it's got to have plus 18, so the 3x times by that 7 is going to be positive, that's 21x. If that's minus, that could be minus 3x, that would be plus 18x. That's correct, that's where we are. Something times something equals 0, so either 3x minus 1 equals 0, or 3x plus 7 equals 0. So that would be 3x equals 1, so x equals a third, or then I'm going to get that x equals minus 7 over 3. Part 2, find the coordinates of the stationary point of the curve. So I'm definitely going to want to work out dy by dx, which is 18x plus 18. And for stationary point dy by dx will equal 0, so therefore 18x plus 18 equals 0, so therefore that is going to give me that x, that's minus 18, isn't it, x equals negative 1. It wants to find the coordinates of the stationary point, so x equals minus 1. I need to find out what y is. So y will equal 9 lots of negative 1 squared will be 9 plus 18 lots of that, so that'll be plus minus 18 minus 7. And so y will equal 9. Take away 18 is minus 9. Take away 7 is minus 16. So I get minus 1 minus 16 are the coordinates of the stationary point. Part 3, I'll do it up here. Sketch the curve. Well, I know quite a lot about this curve now. I know when it equals 0, so I can hopefully do this quite well. And I've got a third, which is about here, and minus 7 over 3 is there. Stationary point is minus 1 minus 16. So that's minus 16. That's negative 1. And if x is 0, then y will be nothing plus nothing might be minus 7. So it goes like that. It's a U-shaped curve, so it's going to go down like that and then up there. It should go through that point there. That could be better, it could be a lot worse as well. And I've done just check the coordinates of all the intercepts with the axes. Oh, missed this one out, didn't I? That was minus 7, I said. I said what it was, but I should have put it in there. And for part 4, for which values does this increase as x increases? Well, there it's stationary, and all these values it increases, so x will have to be greater than negative 1. It cannot equal negative 1, because at negative 1 we just said it's stationary. It wouldn't be increasing, it would just be 0, the gradient. So x is greater than negative 1, and that's question 10 done.